Hey there people. Well, some of you want me to do a scrapping video. I haven't been doing them for a while because I pulled some shit in my neck or whatever, but I'll take one for the team today. Plus I need the money. Well, we got a head start today. Jomo dropped this off the other day for me. Thanks, John. Just got to get that out of the way so I can pull the truck out. Oh yeah, I still got to take out my three-wheeler. Okay, let's do that. Well, that wasn't so bad. Good thing she's on wheels. Now I just have to get that out of the way, then we'll go. Alright, let's hit the road. Well, Jack, this one's for you, buddy. Score? Everything except for the treadmill came from one place. So for tomorrow I'm just going to straighten this shit out. Try to get the two fridges in there. It's another aluminum, but I like to let the aluminum pile up for a while. It should be a good little payday. Okay, let's go sit in the front yard and have a cold one. Make a video here. Well, that was a pretty good day. Worked hard today. Gotta say, my boss has been pretty good to me lately. Had a week and a half off. The shift today was a bit long there. Took me about a half hour to get all that shit. But anyway, the shoutouts on the appliances, you'll have the links to their channels below. Go check them out. Anyway, people, cheers. Oh, it's Shelly's birthday tomorrow. The 13th.